push, pause, and try it out. This equals 180, so this has to be 60 degrees. All angles in a triangle equal 180 also. So this angle right here has to be 30 degrees. And if this is 30, this equals 180, so this has to be 150 degrees. Now let's start our lesson. Parallel lines and triangles. You do not have to write this down, but just make sure that you realize that whenever I have one line and then point, there's only one exact line that also can go through that point and also be parallel. Triangle sum theorem. Whenever I have a triangle, all interior angles, angle A, B, and C, they're always going to be equal to 180. We are going to be using this information a lot. So all angles in a triangle equal 180. We are going to find X, Y, and Z. And really, this picture is just kind of like a puzzle. So first I'm going to just focus my attention on this triangle. Remember, all triangles equal 180. So I can write up an equation 59 plus 43 plus X equals 180. And you would get that this angle right here would be equal to 78. So if you solve this, you get X is equal to 78. Now also looking at this picture, now that I know what X is equal to, I see that X and Y create a straight line right here. Well, I know that a straight line is equal to 180, so I could say 78 plus Y is equal to 180 degrees. So I could say that angle Y right here is equal to 102 degrees. So Y would be equal to 102 degrees because I would subtract the 78. And then finally, when I'm looking at this picture, I see another triangle right here is another triangle. So in this triangle, I could also write the equation 49 plus 102, because I know that's what Y is equal to, plus Z is equal to 180. If you didn't notice here, we're dealing with 180 quite often. And I would get that my last angle would be 29 degrees. So Z would be equal to 29 degrees. So this is by definition what an exterior angle would be. However, I would not write this down unless if you can completely understand it. Exterior angle is going to be an angle that's on the outside of a shape. So like this, it would be an exterior angle. Now, the reason why I'm showing you this first is because we have an exterior angle theorem. So the exterior angle is not going to be including the angle that's right next to it. So again, the exterior angle is on the outside of the shape. And the theorem we have with the exterior angle is the outside angle is going to be equal to the two angles that are on the inside that are not touching it or not right next to. Angle 1 in this case is going to be equal to angle 2 plus angle 3. So using my exterior angle theorem, I could solve these two equations. So if I'm looking for angle 1, that's my exterior angle. That's going to be equal to my two angles that are not by it, that are not supplementary to it, added together. So 80 plus 18 would be equal to angle 1 because that's my exterior angle. So angle 1 would be equal to 98 degrees. Pause the video and attempt to do the second problem by yourself. And you should have gotten 65 is equal to angle 2. And the outside angle is equal to the 2 on the inside. 2 on the inside. And that is all I have for you. Make sure you took good, great, grand notes and have a wonderful day.